Hello and welcome again to an edition of Lowcountry Legal Minute with Joe DuBois and Zach Naert. We're here today to talk about the South Carolina Timeshare Act and what victims of timeshare fraud may be able to do under that act. So Joe, if you can tell us to start out, what government entity is charged with the enforcement of the Timeshare Act?
Pursuant to the South Carolina Timeshare Act, it's the South Carolina Real Estate Commission that is responsible for the enforcement and regulation of the South Carolina Timeshare Act. However, the Act specifically provides for a private right of action for a timeshare purchaser or other consumer who has rights that he wishes to pursue.
If the Real Estate Commission is unable to help these victims of timeshare scams and timeshare fraud for whatever reason, are these victims now prevented from seeking legal representation and filing a lawsuit against those people who defrauded them?
It's every timeshare purchaser's right to file an action to enforce either the Timeshare Act or various other South Carolina laws, including the Unfair Trade Practices Act, Consumer Protection Act, or various common laws, including that as to fraud, breach of contract, breach of fiduciary duty, and various other laws. The point being that a South Carolina timeshare purchaser has many rights that he can pursue in court.
If you are a victim of timeshare fraud and the Real Estate Commission has been unable to help you for whatever reason, that does not mean that you cannot stand up for your rights. There are attorneys like Joe and myself who are willing to help you stand up for your rights, and you may also be able to consult with an attorney like us for free or for a nominal cost. If you have any questions or concerns regarding your timeshare situation or the fraud that was committed upon you, please call us at 843-686-5500.